Good morning. Today I am back with a new detailing session. This session is about how to wash, protect and extend your graphene or ceramic coating of a car. And this car, as you know, it is parked outside and the car has been subject to heavy abuse during the rainy season. There was not a single day the car hasn't received torrential rain, and you can see the coating seems to be little bit lean and there is too much dirt and contaminants over the car body, as it's a dark color and in camera it's difficult to understand. So what I will do, I will go for a contactless wash, that means I will go for a pressure wash and then finally replenish with a fresh graphene coating. And this video will be useful for those who have already coated their car with ceramic or graphene. Any advice or anything about this is required, you may contact me through YouTube chat and I will give you the advice if you want to do it at home. If you need to do your car washes regularly, go for a 5-liter one. It is cheaper and very economical. You can go for thicker consistency, you can go for a light depending upon the dirt. Normally in normal condition it will be 1:9 ratio. For 1 liter you can need 100 ml of shampoo. Now the foam cannon is ready. So the entire car has been sprayed with foam. Now I will allow some time to foam to react with the car body, so that the loose darts and stubborn darts that gets agitated with this foam. Now I will scrub gently with the help of a wash mitt, that is very important. So I have added some shampoo here also. Now I will scrub the entire car with the help of a wash mitt. Remember, I am doing this particular job after 3 months of graphene application. So that is also very important. Part is very important, so that no loose dust or anything like that remains in your car body. आपका गाड़ी में धूल मैल और उसके स्ट्रेसेस ना रहे, क्योंकि इसके बाद जो हम प्रोटेक्शन लेयर देंगे वो उसके बीच आ जाएगा, नहीं तो स्क्रैचेस हो सकता है. सो it's very important the car should be absolutely dust free before you apply your protection coat again. Washing part is over. Now comes the protection part and extension part. For extension part you can use any quick detailer type. I will spray this and wipe it with microfiber cloth and finally buff it off. So there are 2 or 3 sets of cloth. So we will start from the roof. So I will be using this. This procedure has to be done in a wet car only. I have already shown you how to do it in a newly fresh painted car. This procedure is for your extension of your graphene or ceramic coating. This is not for a new one, and you can also do this procedure if your car has already been coated by the dealer or somebody else. Roof area has been completed. You can already see the shine it has restored back. Now the bonnet area. No, purota mark. finally the entire job has been completed, and you can see the car has been restored back to its glory. So this is the simple process. You can easily do it at home. We have taken care of everything from tires to entire outer surface. You can see the gloss and finishing. Absolutely a shiny showroom finish. So finally the job is over and you can easily do it at home. And if you have any questions regarding this procedure, you are free to contact me in the comment section below. Thank you very much and goodbye. Happy Puja.